Ni amakuru akomeje kuvugisha abatari bake hano ku mbuga nkoranyambaga. Abantu benshi bari kubona ibintu Miss w'u Rwanda ari gukora hariya muri BK Arena mu gitaramo cya King James, hari kwizihiriza imyaka 20 amaze mu muziki. Bakumirwa bakavuga bati ibi ni ibiki noneho, ndetse bakareba n'ibyo mukuru we Kathia ari gukora, bakavuga bati nyamara umubyeyi wabyaye abana rwose yabyaye abana bafite vibes zidasanzwe. Ndetse hari ibintu byinshi biri kugenda bivugwa by'umwihariko kuri aba bakobwa ndetse no ku muhanzi ukomeye cyane bita King James. Abantu bari kuvuga bati rwose King James ntasanzwe, noneho urebye uburyo yamanutse kuri stage, aje kuri stage rwose byatunguye abantu mu buryo bukomeye cyane. Ukibaza ngo byagenze bite rero? Nkuko urimo urabireba, uyu bamwita King James akaba hano yarasesekaye ku rubyiniro, ndetse ubona ko ameze neza cyane ubwo yamanukaga amanukira muri box imeze neza mu buryo budasanzwe, uburyo tumenyereye kuri ba Chris Brown bava mu kirere. Nawe rero yaciye ako gahigo mu gihugu cy'u Rwanda bwa mbere tubona umuntu umanutse avuye mu kirere. Ndetse si ibyo gusa, dore ko yaje kugaragaza ibintu byinshi byatunguye abatari bake hano ku mbuga nkoranyambaga. Nkuko ngiye kugenda nkwereka amashusho agiye atandukanye agaragaza uburyo igitaramo nyine kiri kugenda kigenda muri kano kanya. Nawe uri buze kumbwira uburyo ubonye Naomi, uri buze kumbwira uburyo ubonye Kathia, uburyo wabonye ibintu bigiye bitandukanye biri kubera muri iki gitaramo. Ujye muri comment umbwire rwose nta kibazo, mukanya ndaje nkwereke ibindi bigezweho.
Take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage.
Ukigukunda ari ibintu byiza ukabura amahoro ugatotezwa n'umutima wamubonye ugahinduka. Yeah.
umuvandimwe